Okay, well, hopefully we're back and we're good. That's crazy. That's the second time that that's happened. There was like lightning near me, and I got disconnected on YouTube and on TikTok. So I heard lightning, got disconnected. It is what it is. I never knew death from dying. Hello. Okay, works fine now. Good, good. I hope we're good on TikTok. Yeah, same. I see you, Adam. Works fine now. Welcome back, everybody. Reminder, if you buy 0.2 Solana worth of HEEHEE, you will automatically be entered into a raffle to where you could win $100 worth. What is HEEHEE's chances of 20x? I need to be careful with how I speak about that. Somebody else will say very good, and maybe I'll agree with that. You're back on YouTube, but not TikTok. You guys can't. You still. Oh my goodness, man. Live stream troubles today on a rainy day. Okay. Alex, is it Bitmart you are dual citizenship for? Unstable network. I hope this works. Let's see. Thoughts on LCX? I mean, I like LCX. I think it's going to put in a new all-time high this year. I don't know. So LCX right now seems like a good buy. I really like cryptos that are near their 236 retraces. Like LCX wicked down to the 236 retrace here. I think that's a good buying spot. So yeah, so Bitmart, I tell them I'm Portuguese, and they're like, cool, you know, that sounds great. And then they let me trade on Bitmart. Near protocol thoughts and target, please. I like Near protocol. I have a $46 price target on my spreadsheet, but there are just issues with, you know, the way I think the rest of the year is going to play itself out. Could it happen? Sure. It could happen. All right, man. TikTok's not happening. Oh, that sucks. I think TikTok's not happening. Where are the winners announced, or is HEEHEE auto-sent to the winner? I announce it on X, and then I send it. Well, I don't send it, but a generous whale sends it to the winners. So seeing people calling for 35 to 40K Bitcoin now, anything's possible, man. I don't think we're going that low. If we do, just remember the 200-week simple moving average is the place to buy. Right now, the 200-week simple moving average is at oh, what is it? It's at like $38,000. So okay, your chances of winning the HEEHEE giveaway. I'm giving up on TikTok. So your chances of winning the HEEHEE giveaway are improved. But I am going to announce this on X real quick. So bear with me for a second. All right, I'm going to say 2 hours. Okay. All right, let's see. I'm worried that retail won't have money at the end of the market. Will we be able to reach 2024 highs without retail? I don't buy that retail doesn't have money to enter the market. I mean, we just had the consumer report yesterday. There was an unexpectedly high amount of money spent by consumers. I am probably going to sell, I just think about myself. I'm probably going to sell some stocks to buy crypto. There are people who will sell stocks and buy crypto because of the 4-year halving cycle. And there's always, do poor people play the lottery? If so, just like they have money to play the lottery. And then it's not like poor people are going to get into this, but it's people more so with money. We should all ban TikTok. What they're doing with the election propaganda is disgusting. I'm actually not familiar with that, but I could see it. I can definitely see it. Alex, how does all the tech layoffs play into the bull run? I mean, layoffs are bullish in some regards. The price tends to pump after layoffs happen. So Landwolf hasn't rugged. Yeah, that's right. Thoughts on Wolf? I just don't know. I don't know. I'm like, I do see. I saw a video from the Blockchain Boy. I see Shmoo still pumping it a lot, and it's like they still believe in it, or at least they have an incentive to believe in it, which makes me think that it will go higher when the time comes. The problem is that meme coins are not quite the play right now. I mean, obviously, aside from HEEHEE, but there's going to be a time very soon for meme coins to explode. Hey, you're back to questions. Did you buy ABT? I did answer that question. I thought it was on Bitmart. It's not on Bitmart, so I need to figure out a different place to get it. Restart your computer? No. If I restart my computer, I'm just going to be done with this live stream. Landwolf thoughts, already got to that. I thought so. Thanks, man. Sure, Milas. I don't know where you're referring to, but all right. Where do you see ICP going if it doesn't hit your price prediction? I mean, 2024, I'll just be happy with a new all-time high. Not a new all-time high, a new 2024 high with ICP. It's still bleeding, man. This is insane. It still hasn't gotten below its lower low there, but, higher than a 2024 high. I do think that whatever's coming for alts will be significant. So what's a 2024 high? It's around $20. All right, Randy, you have better odds of winning this time because TikTok's not working for me. Lamar Odom just bought Wolf. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. Who's Lamar Odom? I haven't thought about him in years. ABT's on Coinbase? Are you serious? I just assume it's not on Coinbase. Yeah, I'll buy it on Coinbase then. Stream is fine here, viewing on YouTube. Okay, ABT is ArcBlock, right? Yes, it's on Coinbase. Okay, I didn't know that. When market corrects, Wolf will be big IMO. I could see that. Any new Brett predictions? I'm out at $5 billion. I think it'll get there easily. They have an unbelievable team. Give us some hopium. I already have. Listen, I believe Bitcoin's going to $80,000 this year. That doesn't sound great, but I also believe that Bitcoin's dominance is going to dump hard. Bitcoin dominance takes the stairs up and the elevator down. You see this here. Let me zoom out again. Stairs up, elevator down. And look at that elevator. Floomp. Okay, that I believe is going to happen this year. So Bitcoin dominance Bitcoin's price goes up to $80,000 and Bitcoin's dominance goes down to 40% or even under 40%. That is a significant move for altcoins. There's your hopium, which I've already laid out. I bought art on ABT on Coinbase. Okay. Oh, shoot. Whoa. Jay White. ICP bleeding because Jerry Banfield made a video saying he was dumping his ICP. That is insane. If you guys don't know who Jerry Banfield is, I mean, you want to talk about the shill of all shills for ICP. And if this dude is giving up on his ICP, I'm going to take you at your word for that. If he has given up on his ICP, that is something else. This guy was talking about he has ICP locked up for 8 years. And I'm sitting here like, you're an idiot. You have ICP. Who would lock up any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin for 8 years? Anyone who does that is just dumb. And you're telling me now that he's given up on ICP. That makes me want to rethink things. But I don't have a reason to give up on ICP based off of everything that I've seen. Wow, deleted most of his socials. Oh my goodness. Which meme should we be holding? HEEHEE. Like literally, I mean, now's not meme season. There will be meme season again. Theta's a really good buy. Let me check Theta. Oh my goodness. I do need to restart my computer. I'm going to do it after this live stream. Like my trading view is so sluggish. I got to go down to the daily. Theta. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta. Why is epsilon afraid of zeta? Because zeta, eta, theta. All right, theta. You know, from swing low to swing high. Oh, wait, I have the wrong swing low. It's probably at its 236. I'm trying to fix this fib chart. No, it's not. Wow. Okay. It's just kind of, I mean, it's at a good buy, sure, you know? It's just not even hanging around the 236. I would want to buy it at the 236, but it can go lower. All right, ICP isn't dumping. All right, sorry, let's see. Do you have an NVIDIA exit amount before the earnings report? Are you holding till the day of earnings no matter the high, hoping for 150 a share? So I don't have the NVIDIA stock. Maybe that was the play, you know? Because AOs, like I bought AOs. I bought a decent amount, and it's down, and it is what it is, you know? So because AOS is down, I'm just going to hold on to it most likely. Alex, if Bitcoin dominance drops so much, does that mean the price of Bitcoin goes down too? Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. The answer is no, but I want to show you Bitcoin dominance. That's the second time I've gotten that question. I know it's a fair question to ask, but I'm just going to say it is kind of a beginner question, and no offense at all. Listen, all right, where was Bitcoin? I'll be able to answer this question. In March of 2021, Bitcoin was around, it ranged between $42,000 and $58,000. Might have gotten actually up to $61,000. And then Bitcoin's dominance plummeted And during this plummet, Bitcoin peaked at $64,900. So it was on like this day right here. That's like April. It was April 14th. And so where my mouse is right now is April 12th of 2021. And so Bitcoin was rising throughout this dump right here, and it peaked right here. And then when, on the day that it bottomed out, May 3rd, Bitcoin was in the upper 50s, lower 60s. So it didn't drop, even though Bitcoin dominance plummeted. But what happened was Ethereum pumped like crazy, and then a lot of altcoins pumped like crazy. So if I could show you the chart on that same day, what you would see... I hate TradingView sometimes. Because trading this particular chart, this Bitcoin ETH chart, does not go as far back as 2021. So I'm not going to show you that. Never mind. But no, Bitcoin dominance does not, or sorry, Bitcoin price does not dump when Bitcoin dominance dumps. But meme coins pump hard whenever Bitcoin moves to the upside. After a new all-time high, meme coins are going to pump really hard. Is Jerry the owner of ICP? No, he's just a very famous, not very famous, but he has like 40,000 subscribers on YouTube. He's just he is a fanboy. I mean, all he would talk about is ICP is the best. Like every video is about ICP. Any video about anything other than ICP is like a negative video about that cryptocurrency. Even if it only goes to 60K, memes bounce the hardest. I don't know if I agree with that, but I think Jerry just needs a mental break. Probably. I can't believe he would make a video giving up at this time. That's going to be remembered as a dumb money move. Does ASI FET have any legs for the next coming NVIDIA earnings report? I mean, it looks to me like none of these have any legs. I mean, look at it, you know. I mean, we'll see. Now that the NVIDIA earnings report was moved to the 28th, apparently, you know, we could see FET pump. Jerry is immensely stable, maybe. ICP is dead until they get some meme coins in their ecosystem. Okay. They do need meme coins. And I thought earlier this year, I thought that ICP would be the place, the competitor to Solana for meme coins, and then Base came out of nowhere. So, love this channel. Thank you. TBF, I don't think he was slamming the project. He is leaving content creation and crypto altogether. He's exhausted. I mean, that even that, like you're leaving now. That's just lame. It's not like he's just getting rid of ICP and moving to a different crypto to show. Okay. Calvin Hill has his ICP locked away for 8 years. Ty loves it as well. Yes, I like ICP. It's just there's no way I'm gonna hold ICP for 8 years. That's absurd. His wife gave him the slap down. I don't know what you're talking about, but okay. ICP is creating meme coins. Yeah, but they need adoption. There's plenty of places creating meme coins. That's what you need to do. You need to get people to buy meme coins in your ecosystem, and then your crypto pumps like Solana. Jerry got slapped at the dinner table? I don't know what you're talking about, man. Can you talk about the plan for Q4 2024? Sure, for the 100th time. Sure. All right, rate cuts, September 18th. A timer automatically starts in my head. 2 months. I'm out, no matter what. Even if. The only reason why I wouldn't be out is if Bitcoin instantly dumped to $35,000, which it's not going to happen. But, or if Bitcoin dumped to $35,000, I'm in for a dead cat bounce back up to the 50s. And then I'm out. All right? But that's not happening. 2 month timer, no matter what happens over the next 2 months, I'm out. But then if Trump wins, the timer resets to 2 months. And then I'm in for another 2 months, and then I'm out. So that under that scenario, we would barely go into 2025. Now, how far out am I? I'm rolling out. So let's say over those two, let's talk about September 18th again, the rate cuts. Let's say at some point over those 2 months, Bitcoin gets to $80,000. I am starting to roll out. Starting, not 100% out. If at some point during that time, there's 1,000 people in my live stream on TikTok, I am 90% out on that day. Maybe I'm wrong for doing that. Maybe we're going to have this major alt season to where things are going to be so exciting that there would eventually be 2,000 people in my live stream. But I've been around the block enough with how many people are in my live stream and using that as a measure. I am out. I will take my smaller gains and then, you know, what I'll do with that is I'll put some into my trading portfolio. And so I'll still be in, but I'm out, you know, because with my trading portfolio, I'm going to long and short. And if I think things are still going to go up, I'll long. But if I think things are, you know, getting near the peak or going to go down, then I'm shorting. So, but do you really think we can get some gains in only 2 months? It seems like there's no time, man. LOL. Alt season takes less than 2 months. Man. Let me show you the last 2 alt seasons. It comes really quick and then it's over. All right. So this was not alt season. July to November was not alt season. This was alt season. Right here. And look at how quickly that happened. That was a very short period of time. I mean, the real explosion happened like late February, went to early May. Alt season. 2018 was even quicker. I mean, first move up, November 6th of 2017. January 8th of 2018 was the peak. Alt season goes incredibly fast. And then it's over. And then you don't think it's over, but it's over. Jasmine got slapped at the dinner table. Oh, Jerry. Oh, I saw that. Never mind. Same, but I don't own any. Just prefer other things, which I think look sexier and likely better gains. Crayon Dave. Are you talking about ICP? Possible alt season for utility tokens. I think given the sentiment towards utility right now, people are so down on utility that, yeah, we're going to see utility pump. Is it smart holding 50-50 utility and memes? I would say more utility than memes now, and then at the proper time, more memes than utility. Please take us along with you for your trades when you take your money out after reaching 1,000 people in your TikTok. Certainly. I will do that. All right, guys, I'm gonna be done. I'm kind of bummed, just like TikTok didn't work out today, and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna be on a space with Devin Dejewski on my X account. So if you want to hop into that, that would be in about 50 minutes. So I'm gonna text him real quick. But okay, have a good one, everybody.